Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Exams Daily. Today I am going to share an important notification with you all. Before I share that, subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get further notification. Fine friends, we can see about the notification now. This notification has been released by State Health Society, Bihar. They are going to select overall 80 candidates for the post of accountant and then account assistant. In this chart, we can get the details regarding the posts and then salary and then vacancies. Fine. For the post of accountant SPMU, the total number of posts are 6. And then your salary will be 22,500. Here you can get the reservation by the government norms. Your educational qualification will be, you have to pass BCom full time. Otherwise, you have to get the CA Inter with any certificate or ICW certificate with any degree certificate. And then next we can see about accountant RPMU. Total number of vacancies are 9 and then your salary will be 15,000. You will be getting the reservation as per the government norms. You have to pass BCom full time or else CA Inter or else ICW Inter. And then accountant DPMU. Total number of vacancies are 38. Your salary will be 15,000. You can get the reservation by the government norms. And then your educational qualification will be BCom or CA Inter or ICW Inter. And next we can say about the urban health accountant's assistant. Total number of vacancies are 31 and then your salary will be 15,000 and you will be getting the reservation here. Your educational qualification will be, you have to pass BCom full time or you have to pass CA Inter with any degree or else ICW Inter with any degree. Fine friends, next we can say about the age limit. Your age limit will be for unreserved and EWS 37 years and then 40 years for unreserved EWS female and then 40 years for BC MBC male and female and then 42 years for SC and ST male and female both. And you will be getting the 10 years of relaxation as per the government norms. You have to check the official website for the complete details. Now you can see about the important dates. The opening date of online application is 7/1/2021 and then last date of online application is 28/1/2021. So please don't forget it friends. Now we can see about the application fees. Unreserved EWS BC MBC male can pay 500 rupees as the application fee and then female can pay 250 rupees. Likewise, SC and ST Bihar domicile only can pay male 250 rupees and then female also 250 rupees. Fine friends, now I let you know how to register for this post. First you have to go to the official website. There itself you have to register with all your details and then documents. Then you will be getting the password and then login ID. Use that password and then login ID and then fill your application form and pay the online payment. After that, you have to take a printout for your future processes. Fine friends, I hope this video is informative for you. To get more videos like this, subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get further notification. Thank you friends.